Robot model 9.3.8. Are you reading this? Back online now. 9.3.8. Do you copy? See here, it's a bit strange. Your audio circuit's very badly damaged. It may be completely burnt overboard. They really mess with you in engineering. Actually, no, looking here, it's not burnt into the motherboard. Okay, I'm just adjusting some of your circuitry. Is it fixed? Yeah, just about there. This should be better. Yep. Looks like things are good. Going to run a quick simulation on your audio circuit. This will be weird, even for a robot. Hello, model 9.3.8. System version 2.002. Running audio test. Happy little trees. Happy little trees. We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents. Happy accidents. It's a fantastic day. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. Happy little trees. Okay, so I think it's safe to say your audio circuit's definitely back up and running perfectly. Did you like the test? I made that test program up myself. It's built from extracts of a show that's actually one of my favourites, The Joy of Painting. They say the star of the show, Bob Ross, is the king of something like ASMR, something like that. I'm not sure. I wonder if you have that programmed into your mind, actually. Some humans have it. I don't know if it's a robot thing, but if we've used some human analyzed coding in your brain, which I know I used to program that part of the robot mind, but I haven't done that part for a while. They may still be using human interfaced coding. I'm not too sure. But anyway, now that we have your audio circuit testing out of the way, yeah, I think we should read this engineering report. Oh, I know all about the damage you had there. Yeah. 2 rookie workers transporting incorrectly. I don't know why they let 2 rookies handle such a special case robot. I did make sure to note that down about you on the system. But yeah, they just let you be handled by them, and well, yeah, what's done is done. We can't change it, but they dropped you, by the way. So down some stairs. Luckily there weren't many steps, so it was only a little bit of superficial damage, along with the now fixed audio circuit. I'll have to replace your panels later, or actually, I might just replace them now. Yeah, maybe we should replace them now, actually. Yeah, we'll do that while I'm still in the mechanical mindset. You'd think that they would have fixed you in engineering, but, well, might have to file a report to the floor manager later, actually. I'm not sure if those rookies have been charged for the damage they did. I'm not usually one to be fussed about that sort of thing, but you really are a special case. 93.8. I do still need to read this report here in front of me. But, yeah, we'll give that a pass right now, and we'll go on and replace your damaged components, the panels. Yeah, and then we'll read the report. How does that sound? Okay. You know, from what the engineers were telling me earlier, you're quite the unique case. Irreplaceable, they classified you as. Thought you might want to know that. You just aren't a typical bot. You're as unique as my fingerprint on the end of my thumb. I know, you're probably running a probability scan in that metal mind of yours, but just take it for what I'm saying. You're special, okay? Right, let's get to those panels. So, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 4 mid-depth scratches on the upper left torso. Let's see here. Yep, we have some scuffing on your left arm movement regulator panel. That one isn't too bad, but you're a bot worth keeping in good shape, and those scuffs don't look too pretty. And finally, here on the front of that excellent metallic cranium cover here, you have a dent. That's a good thing that we started using the more advanced titanium alloy on this part of your chassis. Kept your mind nice and safe. So 93.8. I think we'll replace the upper left torso paneling here, and then we'll place the left arm movement regulator panel. As for that cranium cover, it shouldn't really have an effect on anything, and it's quite a specific part to replace. Due to its location on your body and the dent reaching in towards those vital components, I feel the removal could risk doing more damage than a replacement would be worth. So, yeah, we'll leave that part. It gives you more character too. I suppose it'll help me identify you for now. Okay, let's get started. So, it's going to have to remove this panel. One sec. Okay, that's one off. And we'll have to just put this back on here. They should just slot into place. There we go. Just... Yep, that's good. Okay, that panel's nice and snug back on your chassis. Fantastic, that was easy. And now let's get to the new cover. Here we go. It's quite a soft, nice feeling metal, this one. I mean, it's not soft at all, but it feels much softer on your arm. This one is for... Okay. Right. We'll replace this now. Let's remove the other one. That was quite actually a silent removal for that one. And... there we go. It's quite a strange noise actually putting that one on. But yeah, that one's slotted back into place as well. Fantastic, actually. Good as new. Replace both your panels. And yeah, that's great. Shame you can't really replace the cranium, but the more I look at it, the better it looks on you. So yeah, that's pretty good. So you're good as new, aside from that dent in your cranium, of course. I suppose we should start to read the report and test the fact as it concerns now. As we're already aware of your awareness levels, etc., etc., we won't be doing the whole green, red, and gold level type test this time. These will be more improvisational tests. Yeah. We may need to run another sim along the way. Sims are pretty fun. Let's do a quick report overview then. Okay. 93.8's component summary. Chassis, normal. Audio circuit, damaged upon inspection, to be fixed by technical/testing staff. Yep, we've done that. We saw that you damaged that. Visual matrix, faulty. Replacement on order. Okay. Hydraulics, normal. Volt regulators, oh, abnormal. Unable to diagnose. Current levels higher than above average. Higher than above average? Well, that's interesting. Normally it's above average or higher than average, but this is higher than above average. Strange. I mean, I guess you've got a lot of volts going through you then. Quite a large current. Cranium core. Unusual. Component unrecognized. Left untampered with as per technical staff's request not to dismantle. Engineering errors detected? None. Hardware abnormal, but no functional faults detected. That's strange. So your cranium core's unrecognised? That makes no sense. You're meant to be just one of the standard models. You're not going to have an unusual cranium core. Well, that's curious. So, it's unrecognised. Odd. Didn't find any engineering errors, meaning your unique personality is created by a combination of my programming and your unusual cranium core. Well, I definitely want to run a root regen now. A root regen is used for the specific purpose of detecting deep cranium core memories. We used to play around with these as tests months back when they first came in, but they've been treated with a much more serious kind of level lately. Yeah, before they used to just be general audio summaries, small bite-sized chunks of random discussions had while the robot was on, but yeah, things have been going much more, well, they've become much more serious lately. We've been reserving it more for use with robots to recover corrupted data, and in some cases we use it for when a robot may have witnessed a crime or an important event where every detail may be useful, because it's become far more vigorous, to put it one way. I mean, like I say, it used to be small bite-sized chunks of actively received data or audio input, but now it's, it's not the norm for me to use this on anything like you, but, well, now a root regen can actually pick up sounds that it's hard to explain. They're picked up passively, they're not actively. So, well, maybe we could discover something about where you came from, is what I'm saying. I'll be viewing the data from my monitor here. And you'll be experiencing all sorts of memories, and as you're experiencing all these memories from different places of time, some that you may not even been aware yourself that you actually had in your system, it'll be shifting your files around a bit. It could be a bit disorientating. I mean, really, really disorientating. They'll also be defragmented as we go through it as well. So, yeah. It may uncover some audio recorded while you were completely inactive too, as the energy that we have kind of stored in your system is still running through the circuits, and it leads to what we call ghost voice. This is what I mentioned earlier. It's the recently, well, I say recent, but it's sounds detected while you're offline that sound most relevant. It's like it's a strange anomaly that we started to pick up a few months back, where robots with the cranium cores, the new cranium cores, they just started recording everything like a standard brain. Yours is even more different, so I'm not too sure what's going on with yours. But yeah, I'll run a root regen discovery process, and well, we'll see what we find. Robots just surprise us every day since these cranium cores start to be implemented. So yeah, we'll see what we can find. Maybe find out where your cranium core came from. Okay. 93.8. I'm starting the root regen now.
Root regen activated. Scanning through core memories. Memories located from the first 7 days of unit creation. Memory received relevant factor 9.8. Pre-manufacturing discussion. Inactive. Ghost voice pickup.
So, the scan of your cranium core's memories just now has indicated to me that you were constructed with the goal of corrupting all our system files and uploading the company's darkest secrets, any secrets found within the file systems, to the internet. It turns out you're not one of ours. Your cranium core, at least. Management would immediately order me to destroy you if they knew. We'd lose you. I don't really want to lose you. You're one of the most unique. You are the most unique bot I've come across in the last, well, in my lifetime. To be honest, working with robots, you're the most unique. I'd probably lose my job too. No, I can't let that happen. Okay. I can't let Cortec know. But if that signal initiates, or whatever it's planned to initiate, something tells me things could get a lot messier around here. Right. I'm removing your cranium core. Yep, I'm removing your cranium core from your chassis. You won't be able to do anything but think then. Sorry, 93.8, but this is going to feel hard. I'm unplugging your core.